Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Let me know in the description how the audio quality is because I'm trying out this new microphone. So I am making brownies for my coworkers. So if you may have remembered, I did this about a year and a half ago, a little over a year and a half ago, and that video did super well. So let's try it again. They were actually asking me to make them brownies, so apparently they were good the first time. Although it took them a year and a half to ask, so maybe not. It's an 8x8. I'm using a 9x13. Let me see real quick if I can find a different recipe for this size because I don't feel like doing the conversions. Why does no one make them in 9x13s? Hey mom, where is your brownie recipe? Okay, so my mom actually gave me a printed out recipe that she has, and this is specifically for 9x13 because I couldn't find any 9x13s online. So it's a different recipe from last time, so let's hope it's still good. Okay, I leave for work in 2.5 hours, so it only takes about half an hour baking time. What I'll do though is I will link this recipe in the description below so you guys can follow it at home. Wow, this recipe was printed out back in 2007. December 15th, 2007. It is exactly 1 month older than me. Ooh, I also have Starbucks coffee from yesterday. So this is 4 ounces. So I need 2 sticks of butter. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna place that paper in there. I'll explain why in a second. That's a lot of butter. So I'll put that in there and then we're gonna microwave this. I just realized for whatever reason when we microwave, our Wi-Fi goes out. So I'm gonna explain what I'm doing first real quick in case this messes with the microphone. So what you do is you take your parchment paper from the butter and you use the butter side and rub that on the pan to grease the pan basically. I'll also link to the microphones in the description, and if I end up like keeping them and I really like them, not sponsored, I will add them in my about sections as part of my gear because from what I've heard, oh shut up, these are really good. That's gonna need to be cooked for a little bit longer because there's still like a stick in it. Also, we got this from my grandparents' house, but it's a little like ladle holder thing, but you can like just put any silverware or spoon you want and it just sits there and like everything extra drips. And I'm sure these have been around forever, but they're so cool and we never had one until not that long ago. And they're such a great investment because you have a dedicated place to put your cookware utensils and it won't drip everywhere. And you just wash it like a normal dish when it gets dirty. I'm bringing this puppy over here. Look at that. Not sponsored. I should really get like an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so we'll put in our butter. I should have got my ingredients first. Oh gosh. Butter, sugar, vanilla, egg, sugar. That's rice. Where's your vanilla? I feel like it was up here, and then I feel like it was recently moved. There's an outlet in here? Oh, that's crazy. Is this 1 cup? That's 1 cup. Let's get 2 of this. That's a lot of sugar. Oh my gosh. 1, 2. Ugh.
It was at this moment he knew he f***ed up.
Oh no. Wow, this recipe was printed out back in 2007. If you're wondering, Mom, how vanilla extract got on your recipe, you see there are 2 viable solutions depending on which one you would rather believe. Either A, I accidentally spilled it, or B, the dog got into the vanilla extract. Oh my God, this is so bad. I'm gonna have to like fix this somehow. Okay, don't worry Mom, I'll print this out, I'll make a copy. And also for the record, we don't have a dog. This is just literally butter and sugar. Add eggs 1 at a time. How many eggs? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And no eggshells. Look at that. Take that, Gordon Ramsay. You donut. Add eggs 1 at a time, beating with a spoon after. That's not what I did. I put them all in at once. This is why you read ahead, kids. Add cocoa, beat until well blended. 3/4 of a cup. That's not a lot of chocolate syrup, but okay. How do I, the measuring, beat until well blended. Oh God. Well, you know, I wanted a tan. I guess that will have to do. I feel like there aren't enough wet ingredients in here. Do I not like add milk? No. Wow, it smells like Christmas time, because usually my sister's the one that makes these brownies, and she makes them like around Thanksgiving or Christmas. Add flour, baking powder, salt, beat well. Stir in nuts if brownies, if desired. Interesting, I didn't know you could put nuts in here. We don't, because my sister's like deathly allergic, but aside from that, I didn't remember if it said it needed baking powder or soda, so I got both. Baking powder, cool. Okay, I should preheat this now. Preheating, cool. I can't like squish this on the side, it's very full. Okay. Okay, if anyone gets food poisoning, just for the record, I am not a baker, so you legally can't sue me. I'm gonna have to bring a waiver. Perfect, I have some San Francisco sea salt right here. Oh, goodbye, my friend. I really feel like this needs milk in it. It doesn't say anything about that, especially because this is getting really firm. Like, is that not too thick? Goodness gracious. This is like frosting thick. I just want to take a bite, just intrusive thoughts. Should I put just like a splash of milk? Just make a little half and half. Just a, see, just a tiny bit. Okay, I suppose it's time to pour this into our Where's my butter bowl? Put this in here. As tradition, somebody gets to lick it. My mom said she had mom tax, so I guess that will be her. It's time to bake. Do I just slide this in? Yeah. Oh gosh, that's not straight. Well, we'll be back in like half an hour. Okay, so it's been 35 minutes. I've just been editing the video. It's 45 minutes long. I didn't realize I was recording for that long. It didn't feel like that. So apparently I have Christmas color mitts, and then it's been a little over because I had like get this all set up. So I'll take a look and we'll check on it. Oop, that definitely looks like, that's hot. Definitely looks like food. How you check these is you get your toothpicks and then you stab them. And it looks like it needs a little bit more time because the toothpick is relatively clean, but it feels pretty wet. Should I put just like a splash of milk, half and half? Just to, So I'm gonna put this in for like another 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know. What if I just drop this? Set timer for 5 minutes. Okay, we're back. Also, for the record, the microphone does sound good, and so I'll link it in the description. That looks a lot crispier on top. Back to the tripod. They say put it on, They say put it on a cooling rack, so I did. I got distracted because I looked over at my camera and I saw that the screen was flipped around, but I thought it was off. So I was like, have I really not been recording, even though the recording light's on? So once it cools, I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna take it to work, see what my coworkers think, and we'll be back.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the moment.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.